Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add product to categories in CustomCat. First, you need to sign in to your CustomCat. So once you're signed in or log in, this is your CustomCat dashboard. What you're going to do first is you have to add products here. So you can create listing or you can select the second one. So let's just select the first one, create a single listing here. Now you can select if you want to sell mugs, shirts, or other items. So let's just say if you have selected mugs right here, all you have to do is to add your design. So this one I have selected this design from Canva. I have created this one. And then after that, you can now proceed and then post this to your store. By the way, you can also edit this before you publish. So once you're done, then you can now go back to your My Products or look for My Products here. Now, to assign product categories in the product creation or edit page, you can find the category section if there is. If you can find category section, then all you need to do is you can custom cat categories typically include apparel, t-shirt, hoodies, tank tops, accessories that includes hats, bags, home and living that includes mugs, posters. So select the appropriate category and subcategory if available that fits your product. If not, like in my case, I cannot see that. It's okay. You can just use the tags right here. So basically, if you go to my products, then you will see, or you can go to design library since I haven't posted or I haven't added products here to sell. I just have to go to design library and here are my products. So if you can find category here, then you can just categorize them according to, for example, if it's apparel, accessories, or home living. You can also use tags. So you can just add tags right here so that if you search this tag, the name of the tag, then you can easily look or find these items. Let's just say shirts. If you go to the search icon, then type search, then you will see shirts right here. So basically, that's it. If you see the category section, then all you have to do is categorize this apparel, accessories, home living, and so on. If not, just use the tags in the design library. Now, after that, you can save and then publish this to your store like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.